Today I'm going to teach you how to enter estimated tax payments on TurboTax. If you've been making quarterly tax payments throughout the year, it's important to record them properly in TurboTax so you get full credit for what you've already paid. Let's walk through this together. Start by opening your TurboTax app. To do this, open a browser and head to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your tax return. This step gets you into your TurboTax workspace where all your tax information is stored. Once your account is loaded, we're going to take a shortcut to save time. Instead of navigating through multiple menus, we'll use the search bar located at the top part of your screen. This search function is incredibly useful for jumping straight to specific topics without clicking through endless pages. In the search bar, type in estimated taxes and hit enter. This will pull up the relevant section for entering your quarterly payments. A right side panel will appear on your screen. From here, you'll see a link labeled estimated taxes. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This link takes you directly to the section where TurboTax asks about your federal estimated tax payments. You'll be prompted with the question, did you pay federal estimated taxes for 2025? Since we're looking to add estimated taxes, click on yes. This tells TurboTax that you made payments throughout the year and need to report them. Now you'll be presented with fields labeled with 4 different quarters of the year. These represent the standard quarterly payment periods. Simply enter the estimated tax amount you paid in each field. If you didn't make a payment in a particular quarter, you can leave that field blank or enter 0. Once you've filled in all the amounts, click on Continue. TurboTax will then apply these payments to your return, reducing any balance you might owe or increasing your refund. And that's it. You've successfully entered your estimated tax payments in TurboTax, ensuring your return reflects all the payments you've made throughout the year. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.